there you have it, veal cutlet on a bun. Let's give it a try. You can taste the garlic, the breadcrumbs, the parsley. We're well balanced. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Benvenuti. Today we're making veal cutlet on a bun. This is such an easy recipe to make for any time of the year. So for this recipe, you'll need veal, flour, breadcrumbs, tomato paste, tomato, olive oil, peppers, onions, parsley, garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt, mushrooms, and fresh buns. I'll have the full recipe at the end. Okay, so we're going to start by slicing our mushrooms. There we go. Okay, so we're going to saute them. We're going to add our olive oil. Seems like there's a lot of mushrooms, but it reduces very quickly. So we're going to add some salt. Cook the mushrooms down, and then we'll add our peppers. We're going to cut our pepper. I went ahead and I roasted it, the peppers. This way we can just toss them a little bit with the mushrooms, and they give out a different flavor. There we go. So now we'll add our onions. Cook that down just a bit. And then we go with our peppers. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. So we'll cook that down just a bit. And then we'll remove them from heat and we'll make our sauce. And then once the sauce is ready, we'll combine everything together at the last minute. So this is ready. And that's okay if you have a little bit left on the pan. Olive oil. We'll toss some of the onions in here. Lower that. There we go. Bring that back up again. We'll add some salt to this. So we'll let that cook down for a bit. And we'll come back to this. So our sauce is almost ready, and we're going to add our mushrooms and peppers. And just get all the flavors combined. Look at that. It smells so good. And while we prep our veal, this will cook down just a little bit more, and all the flavors will come right through and combine nicely. Okay, we'll leave that there. You want your parsley very fine. Parsley goes very well with your veal cutlet and breadcrumbs. Okay, so now that our sauce is cooking down, we are going to get our veal ready. And I have breadcrumbs here. And I'm going to add our parsley to the breadcrumbs. And of course, some garlic. I went ahead and I minced the garlic. Actually, I used a zester, made it nice and fine. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese as well. I'm just going to combine this all together. Perfect. There we go. So now that we're ready, our eggs, we've got our flour, so we're gonna pat your veal with flour. Then into your egg wash. I like making my sauce the day before as well, and just ready to toss the peppers and mushrooms at the last minute. So you could do that, and also get the veal done. Eliminate this step. This way, all you have to do is fry it up, or you can bake it if you like as well, but we're gonna fry this up. Sauce is ready. We're gonna just put it aside, and we're gonna fry up our veal. Perfect. Okay, we're ready to fry our veal. Just put enough oil. If you wanted to, you could bake it in the oven, that's fine. What I like to do is spray the oil over on top of the veal cutlet. Perfect. And then I'll season it with salt. Perfect, look at that. Want to get it nice and crispy. You can really smell the garlic. It's ready. There we go. So our veal cutlets are ready. We're going to assemble them. I have these long buns panini, but you can get little shorter ones, and we'll just assemble them. So we're gonna get one, we'll put it there, and we'll get another one. Look at that, it smells so good. You really smell the garlic with the parsley. Then you're gonna get your sauce. If you wanted to, you could put some mozzarella cheese on there. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Parmesan cheese. Look at that, beautiful presentation. Definitely make the day before. This way you could just fry up your veal and serve it nice and hot. Go ahead and slice it. There you go. You have to have the sauce with the peppers and the mushrooms. It's a must when you make the veal cutlet. We call it an Italian cotolette. There you go. So if you wanted to, you could have more mushrooms and green peppers and less of your sauce. That's also good as well. There you have it. Veal cutlet on a bun. Let's give it a try. You can taste the garlic, the breadcrumbs, the parsley, well balanced. It's definitely worth a try. Let me know in your comments how you enjoyed it.